Today's Disney Railway is the Harambe Wildlife Express, which happens to be closed right now. It takes you out to Disney's Conservation Station, where Rafiki's Planet Watch is, which is also closed right now. Seems a little unfair, but at least we have the Walt Disney World Railroad to fall back on. Wait, what? Oh, great.
Alright, that's the station here. Please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop.
Yep, that's right. The Walt Disney World Railroad's closed too, but at least we got something over there that we can do that's fun. Yeah, I really do miss the Harambe Wildlife Express, even though, you know, if you're handicapped, you have a tendency to be stuck in a little box. And I'm not really sure how I feel about the disabled corral being caged in and all. Now, the Eastern Star Railway is closed right now, along with Conservation Station, as well, nobody's really sure what they're doing or when they're going to be done it, but right now it's closed. I thought I'd take you on a nostalgic train tour of Disney's Animal Kingdom, all the way back to Conservation Station. And I gotta tell you, no matter what Rafiki said, the train was really the best part of the whole trip out to Planet Watch. Let's just say the Conservation Station was never really, well, crowded. Neither outside, well, or inside, really. Despite the really cool things you could do there. I mean, they had a really cool movie on lowland gorilla conservation. There was a display on how they got the geese from one place to another. Wow, that really didn't sound good. There was a whole display of animals in tanks and cages that really needed to stay in tanks and cages. And though they had all the equipment there, I never really saw them do any surgery on any animals. I think that would have been a better selling point. I mean, I would have headed out there more often. And despite Disney trying, the petting zoo wasn't really all that wheelchair friendly. Yeah, sorry Rafiki, the animal encounter area. Nope, for me, it was all about the train. Now, my buddy David Leapart, who quite literally wrote a book on a lot of Walt Disney World railways. Oh yeah, those books are available on Amazon anytime you want. Well, according to David, the Harambe Railway is more of an attraction than an actual train ride. And David says it's all because of this. The way the seats are placed on the train, it directs your attention in the direction that Disney wants you to look, which actually keeps you from looking in the other direction. So you really only get to see what Disney wants you to see. And although they've fixed up some really cool stuff for you to see along the way, you don't get to see a whole lot of backstage things. Again, except for the stuff that Disney wants you to see. And granted, some of that's pretty cool. And I don't know about you, but I want to see more than what Disney wants me to see. Like the train roundhouse, for one. See, now to me, that's really cool. I was trying to figure out what I was going to do this week's video on, because last weekend I was actually in the hospital and had to have surgery. But digging through the old clips, I found this one, where I wasn't in the middle coach of the train and was at the back, where I decided to take pictures. So enjoy the view. kind of Disney wildlife too, so she'll be looking for your likes and your comments below. For me, I'll be looking for your comments too, because I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy it, why don't you choose to subscribe? And remember, when you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be sure to be notified when I post the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.